Over the years, Nanoleaf has proven to be incredibly popular with gamers, music makers, and others. They're essentially triangle color charging LED wall panels that work by recognizing audio and translating it into colors and light in real time. While most people wish to grab a new set of Nanoleaf, the harsh reality is that they're too pricey for the vast majority of people. But there are also some similar products available that work way better than the rich kid in some cases. And here we have the 5 best Nanoleaf light alternatives. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Hey guys, welcome to Smart Home 101. Here we will be sharing insightful videos to familiarize you with the idea of a smart home and automation tips. After testing and analyzing thousands of products, our team of experts have come up with buying guides, reviews, recommendations, and the latest buzz so that you are always up to date with the current smart home trends.
Turn your interior look with beautiful vibrant colors, as the Cololight-Hexagon LED lights provide you independent control to create a unique lighting effect without breaking your piggy bank. No matter if you're in the Apple HomeKit ecosystem or other, all of your Hexagon lights work with every platform seamlessly. Even using Siri or your favorite voice assistants such as Alexa and Google, you can control them magically. Beyond that, via the Cololight smartphone app, you can create more brilliant and dynamic light effects and give your home a customized personal touch. You can also create the ultimate RGB vibe for you, since you can sync it with your music and the light will dance with the beat. Moreover, each Hexagon light panel has 19 bright beads, and its built-in powerful chips with detailed design support the complex lighting effects in a smooth and exquisite way. Long talk short, under $15, the Cololight-Hexagon is the most affordable Nanoleaf alternative that you can get now, and for HomeKit compatibility, you can make your life more colorful. Do you like the Nanoleaf shapes but not as expensive price tag? Then meet with the 8 Versailles triangle light panels, which look identical and offer good value for your bang. With a super easy to install and easy to mount feature, it allows you to give your living room or entertaining space a vibrant touch with its multiple color plates. When you're playing your favorite jam or game, its pre-built Rhythm Smarter kit reacts with the music into dancing symphonies of stunning colors and lights. Apart from that, this smart light is more than easy to control by using your favorite voice assistant and smartphone-compatible app, adding more convenience to your life. To ensure longevity, its polycarbonate exterior is gentle to touch but hard to break, so your life stays brighter and colorful for years. So, mixing everything into one bowl, the 8 Versailles triangle light panels lets you decorate your space the way you want and lets you stay worry-free since it offers great value. Enjoy the simplicity and discover more fun with the ODISTAR-Hexagon-Light. That is one of the most popular Nanoleaf alternative in the traditional Hexagon lights. Sadly, it doesn't have any smart features like its top competitor, but flashes colorful quantum lamps that's pretty much missing in the smart fixture lights. From its remote control, you can choose the hot desired effect from its unique modes including monochrome, slow change, flash, and many more. Even with a gentle touch, you can also change the color of each lamp to create more pleasant and unique style to match your occasion. To add to that, the minimalist and geometric design not only illuminate any interior, but also decorate your space impressively that will leave everyone's jaws open for sure. You can even combine it with other products to create a customized pleasing environment, and keeping all these things in mind, it's a decent Nanoleaf alternative. Seeking a quality light for your home and something to elaborate your streaming experience as well? In this case, the Yescom 11-pack Wi-Fi Smart Light Kit is another decent option to consider. Without using any heavy tools, it offers easy installation, so you can add more fun to your life by connecting up to 11 blocks for more variety of panels to your home entertainment. This intelligent light works with the most popular Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Plus, its built-in sound sensors automatically sense music beats that dance along with the music to ensure a fun and immersive experience. Even your Yescom smart lights react to activity, such as turning on automatically to welcome you or reducing the brightness when it's time to go to bed. All of them can be managed right from your smartphone to enjoy the seamless control. So, to enhance your personal entertainment arena, the Yescom 11-pack Wi-Fi smart light is one of those decent Nanoleaf alternatives that you can get right now. Make your personal entertainment space right at your home, since the Govee-Hexa-Light allows you to customize your walls and design your own modular lighting layout that reflects your style. Inspires your setup to be more delightful since each panel. The Govee-Hexa-Light panels inspires your setup to be more delightful since each panel can display 6 colors at once for ultra-smooth flowing effects. Offering smart voice control as it's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, ensuring you can control your lights by using magical phrases from your comfort zone. Its unique RGBW lighting effect and backlight design lets you customize your wall pattern the way you want it. And since it has up to 28 rich preset lighting effects such as rainbow, sunset glow, and passionate, you can decorate your interior with charmful lighting. You can even visualize your music since these lights sync with your music beats, giving you the ultimate experience better than Nanoleaf. In summary, if you want the best Nanoleaf alternative hexagon light for your home, the Govee-Hexa offers everything in between that you're looking for. So, these were the 5 best Nanoleaf light alternatives just for you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.